You land on the sales page and it describes the course to a T. You really want to take this online course. It has everything that's included, the pricing, all about the instructor's background, everything. You're ready to go. You click Start Now. You go to the checkout page where you enter payment information, complete the purchase, and then suddenly you have access to the course. But how did they do that, you might be wondering? You might be wondering how to create your own online course. The answer is that they're probably using a platform called Kajabi. And on Kajabi, you can host online courses, coaching products, memberships, community, pretty much any kind of digital product you want to sell online, you can do it on Kajabi. I've worked with hundreds of professionals on the Kajabi platform building websites and funnels. I've got an entire list of so many websites you can take a look at, and I'll put the link below this video so you can take a look and see what kind of website you want to build. Choose a category that you can relate best with, click on it, and it'll roll you down to the area with websites that are related to that category. You've probably been on a Kajabi website and not even known it. Anytime you see an online course, it's possible they're using Kajabi. So on Kajabi, you can host your website, but if you already have your website somewhere else, there's no reason to bring it over. You can have it over there and just connect it to the sales page on Kajabi. People would be on your website. You'd be describing what you're selling. They'd click there, and either your sales page is on your website or it can be on Kajabi. And then once they want to buy it, that's whenever they're actually on Kajabi to pay for it and then receive access to the course or coaching product behind a paywall. And let me show you the back end of Kajabi so you can get an idea of what kind of products you can sell on it. Here I am on the back end of Kajabi. When I come over to the Products tab, that's where we can see all the options for things you could sell. You can sell online courses, group or one-on-one coaching. You can have a community subscription where people pay every month to belong to your community, or it could be a free community where you're giving full access, or it could be an adjunct to one of your courses. If you join this course, we talk about it in the community. So that could be an option. You can have a free or paid podcast, and it does go out to Spotify and Apple Podcasts. And you can have newsletters in here. So you can have a newsletter behind a paywall, or you can have them mandatory login before they can access your newsletter. You can have unlimited digital downloads. So if you have 40 PDFs for sale, you can offer each of those on here, and there's no limit to how many you can have. You can have 240 if you want. So let me show you how easy it is to create an online course. I'll just click Get Started, and I'll choose a course, Get Started. I'm going to make it evergreen, meaning it's always available. And we'll just give it a little title. And let's describe it a little bit. This course is about how to get started on the Kajabi platform. And we're going to leave this on. Use this information to generate content and additional resources. And you'll see what happens when I click that. We can choose whatever branding colors we like, as well as a thumbnail. And we'll just skip the offer for now. That's collecting payment for the course. And it'll just take a few minutes to create the course outline. And what it's doing is kind of creating a short outline to give you an idea of what to include in the course. If you already have kind of your course ready or outline, in your head or on paper, you can just override it and not use their information. But it's kind of cool to see what they come up with. It just finished, and here's my product. It has Introduction to Kajabi, creating your first online course, marketing and selling your course. So that's sort of like an outline of what could be inside your course. And now I'm ready to upload some videos. I just click on the name of it here inside the lesson, and it's as simple as clicking video and then dragging it in there. And then if you can either capture a thumbnail from your video, or you can upload a thumbnail, a 1280 by 720 size thumbnail right here. And then let's take a look and see what it would look like. It would look kind of like this. You'd have your logo up here, navigation menu, your video would be here, and then over here would be the other videos. Let's say the first video is here, it would have video 2, video 3, video 4, etc. So a student can navigate pretty easily through here. And then below it, optionally, you can have some text. And then optionally, you can have comments where people can write comments below your video and everybody else will see them. And it's often questions people may have. And then you know how to respond to them with more videos. So that's how to create a course inside Kajabi. But what you want to do is have a sales page and then click buy now and then have access to the course. But how do you do the sales page? So let's set up a simple sales page. We'll just come over to website and landing page. We're going to create a new landing page. And if I roll down, you can see all these templates and they're for free right here inside Kajabi. I could just choose any of these and get started. Just plug in my pictures and change the text to whatever I'd like to see on my sales page. Let's say it's this one right here. I'm going to choose this as my sales page. And now it's ready to be edited. So editing is as simple as clicking on it over here on the right and then making the changes on the left. I just highlight all this, changes here. You see how it made those changes. I just save that and now it's part of my page. I want to change this picture. I just click on it and then I just upload a new picture. As I roll through the page, you can see all the different parts to it. And let's say I wanted to have two pictures here side by side. That's easy enough to add. I can just say add a block and let's just add another picture. And then now I have another picture here. Oh, but it's so large. Let's make it smaller. I can just choose 4 blocks and now it's this big. I can just upload the picture. It'll be right there. Let's say I want it to be next to that. I can just drag it up to the other picture and now they're side by side. Kajabi pages are easy to build. Let's say I don't want this section. Let's just say I only have 3 modules to my course. Click on the picture, delete it. Click on module 4, delete it. Creating websites, creating pages in Kajabi is pretty simple. It's as easy as click and updating. You'd have a full sales page here. They'd click here, enter payment, and then they'd have access to your course. I will include a link below the video that has trial to Kajabi, so 30 days for free, or you can do 3 months for $99. So with the 3 months for $99, you get complete access of Kajabi. You can collect payment, you can send out emails, you can do everything you would normally do on a regular Kajabi plan. But if you do the trial, you are limited and you can't collect payment or send out emails and things like that. So I personally do suggest the 3 months for $99. That way you can really get your course up and running, have a few sales before you finally get into paying for the full price of Kajabi. I'll include those links below. And when you activate it now, I am offering a few bonuses, including the perfect launch checklist. So you can make sure that everything in your very first release of your course goes well, because you'll go through this fine detailed checklist. I'm a very step-by-step person. There's nothing missed in this perfect launch checklist. And I'll include all that in the links below. And if you have any questions, I'd love for you to just reach out. I'm always available for a consultation. You can schedule a Zoom with me if you want to walk through the platform together, or if you've already built a little bit and you want to talk about what could be better. Perhaps your conversions aren't what they should be, or your design doesn't feel quite you. Let me know. We can get on together and work on it. I'm always there for you.